Hello everyone, in this video I'll be presenting to you how to add and subtract similar rational algebraic expressions. When we say similar, the denominator of the given fractions are the same. For the prerequisite lessons, you should know how to add and subtract simple similar fractions. Also, you should know how to simplify rational algebraic expressions. Let's review how to add and subtract similar simple fractions. 2/3 plus 1/3. As you can see here, the denominators are the same. We just simply copy that. For the numerator, we will apply the given operation. 2 plus 1, we have 3. So we have 3 over 3, which is also similar to 1. If in case the given operation is subtraction, then we will have 2 minus 1 instead for our numerator. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So therefore, we have 1/3. And now we are ready to add similar rational algebraic expressions. C squared over 2ab plus c squared over 2ab. The denominators are the same, we just simply copy 2ab for the denominator, while for the numerator we will add c squared and c squared, which is equivalent to 2c squared. All we have to do is to simplify our fraction by removing the common factors of the numerator and denominator. Common factor, as you can see, is 2. Therefore, the final answer is c squared over ab. Let's have another example, subtraction this time. D over d squared minus 4 minus 2 over d squared minus 4. The denominators are the same, d squared minus 4. We just simply copy that. For the numerator, we will write d minus 2. Simply because we cannot perform subtraction between d and 2, so we just simply write d minus 2. Let us simplify our fraction. The denominator is an example of a difference of 2 squares. Therefore, we can express it as the quantity d plus 2 times the quantity d minus 2. So now we can cancel d minus 2, leaving 1 over d plus 2 as our final answer. For our last example, let's give the sum 2e cubed all over e squared plus 10e plus 25 plus 250 over e squared plus 10e plus 25. Copying the denominator and write 2e cubed plus 250 for our numerator. Let us simplify our fraction by expressing the numerator and denominator in factored form. On the numerator, we can use greatest common monomial factoring. The GCF of 2e cubed and 250 is 2. Therefore, we can write it as 2 times the quantity e cubed plus 125. The denominator is an example of a perfect square trinomial. Therefore, we can express it as the square of e plus 5. Now, as you can see, e cubed plus 125 is an example of a sum of 2 cubes. Therefore, we can still factor our numerator. This is also equivalent to 2 times the quantity e plus 5 times the quantity e squared minus 5e plus 25. The common factor that we can remove is e plus 5. The numerator now becomes 2e squared minus 10e plus 50 after applying distributive property to 2 to this polynomial e squared minus 5e plus 25. For the denominator, we still have left e plus 5 because of the exponent 2. Therefore, the answer to this problem is 2e squared minus 10e plus 50 all over e plus 5. So that's how we add and subtract similar rational algebraic expressions. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up below. You may also check our previous video, and I would really appreciate if you will subscribe to my channel.